Welcome back. So the question here is, as shown in the following figure, the two sides of a step ladder BA and CA are 1.6 meter long and hinged at A. A rope DE 0.5 meter is tiled halfway up. Weight 40 kg is suspended from point F 1.2 meter from B along the ladder BA. Assuming the floor to be frictionless and neglecting the weight of the ladder, find the tension in the rope and forces exerted by the floor on the ladder. Take G equal to 9.8 meter per second square. Hint: consider the equilibrium of each side of the ladder separately. So the free body diagram looks like this. This is the weight suspended from the point here, and this is the tension, and the direction of tension is along this particular point, and there's the tension as well, and the in B this direction is this and in C direction is this. Now consider the triangle ADH. So H equal to root over of AD square minus DH square. AD and DH can be found using geometrical analysis. So now putting in the values of AD and DH, we get the H to be 0.76 meter. Now we will use the equilibrium conditions for transitional equilibrium. NC plus NB equals mg equal to 40 into 9.8 equals 392 Newton. For rotational equilibrium, minus NB into BI plus mg into mg plus NC into CI plus T into AG minus T into AG equal to 0. So eventually we get this particular equation, which is NC minus NB equals 98. So we got two equations here. One is NC plus NB equals 392 Newton, and one is NC minus NB equals 98 Newton. So from these two equations we get the value of NC as 245 Newton and the value of NB as 147 Newton. Now calculate the moment about point A. Minus NB into BI plus mg into mg plus T into AG equals 0. Solve the equation. Solving the equation, we get T equals to 96.7.